The different modes augment to the different types of applications that you're trying to do. On the dozer side, you're really just steering the machine, so you're focused on where does the material go. Everything else pretty much works on its own. So if you're trying to do just bulk earthwork, there's cut and carry. Putting it in cut mode, you'd be getting more of a wave pattern. So you're going to go up and down as the machine recognizes that it has too much or too little material. Cut and carry would be when you're trying to cut and then you're trying to just make small pushes and then back up over your cut so you have that nice pad that you just created.
We're pushing mud right now with a rock in it, and to make the ground level before we put on our gravel, it would be great.
Sometimes you don't have a very high percent of grade, so it's got to be pretty much bang on the money.
With spreading mode, when you attack a gravel pile, as soon as you get to the top of the gravel pile, you let go and let it go into auto mode, and the blade will go down and match the grade. So it spreads the gravel over your area that you're trying to work on, and it makes it a nice, even distribution of gravel. There's two real reasons for simple grade. Like say you're trying to cut here and fill here, and you don't want to switch back and forth. Or if you're trying to just make it look really nice at the end of the day. Both the dozer and the excavator are built on the concept of minimize over excavation.
I wasn't sure if I was going to have to watch a screen and do it, but it stopped me when I was going out of bounds. You tap the lever and sit back and let the machine do all the work for you. It was relaxing.
When you're able to do these different modes before you get to your final last few passes, that little bit of efficiency every single pass is going to add up. That's where really we see a lot of benefits from the customers that use it.
Save time on moving material twice or fixing up areas that you haven't been at grade.
The operator you put in there, once he's on it, he makes less passes and he gets the work done better.
Somebody that would just start with a machine like that would probably have a much easier time of it. Just seeing the technology run, it's a fairly impressive system. You could actually tell there was a ditch there when I was finished.
It allows the skill level of less experienced operators to be elevated and more experienced operators to become even more efficient.
Komatsu designed these excavators and dozers to work with their best operators. Now they're able to do the job faster, better, more accurate, and that translates well to their pride in the job and in doing a job well done.
If you have trouble finding good experienced operators, this would, I think, be a big help.
The second best person that would be for would be your operator that knows what he's doing but just doesn't necessarily have the years of experience to do finished grade work. Customers usually pick it up pretty quick, but we want to be there to make sure that they start off on the right foot. Our customers are always getting support for whatever their job requires.